new sales group con, enter. Okay, so we have done our sales part, which is creation of a sales organization, creation of a distribution channel, creation of a division, sales office, sales group. Company code and company will be created by your FICO consultant, but we will also do the part of an MM consultant, which is creation of a plant and storage location. Okay, sometimes, you know, as an SD consultant in smaller projects, you might have to do this, but it's very, very rare. But nevertheless, we will see it just for the sake of completion. Okay, next one is plant. So how do you create a plant? Here is how you create a plant. Next is plant. So here is how you create a plant. Go to define, copy, check plant, and as usual, copy but don't define. So copy, delete, check, click on choose, click the copy button, choose the source as 0001, and the target is going to be, and we're going to choose the source as 0001 as usual, and the target is going to be the plant in New Jersey, let's say. So it's going to be New J, and then hit enter. You know, the same transport number message, click OK, and as you see in the left bottom corner, it's trying to read the tables and do a bunch of stuff behind the scene that we don't need to bother about at this point. It's a pretty intensive series of steps that SAP is doing behind the scenes, which we need not be aware of, as it's not very important. But what is important is to understand that you shouldn't create plants, but rather copy plants from standard setup. And here we go, same old familiar transport request. Click on new, and then what are we doing here? Create new plant, New J, and try to be as descriptive as you can, as usual. So recording the transport. Look at the left bottom corner for any messages or as any progress that SAP is doing in terms of copying or any other stuff like that. Okay, the message finally that you get is plant 001 copied to New Jersey without number ranges, understandably, and we don't really care at this point, as long as we see that our plant has been created. New Jersey is the plant that's created. Okay, now as usual, go back to define and then click choose, then select select New J plant, and either go inside the plant like this and then change the configuration is required, or go to the address details and change whatever address that you want to change. Okay, in this case I would let it remain as it is, but you might want to change the address of the plant in a real scenario, because if the plant is in San Francisco, you don't want this address to be there, the Waldorf, Germany address, right? That's the plant, but I'm going to remain as it is and move forward. Okay, plant is done, and then we have storage location, right? So where is our storage location? Go to material management, and we have maintain storage location, right? So here is storage location configuration. So we want to create a storage location where? Storage location for the plant New Jersey, right? So enter your plant as New Jersey. So in order to create your storage location, the first thing that you have to do is enter the plant, right? So enter the plant, and then click OK. And you see that there are already 3 different storage locations assigned to that plant. If you want to create your own storage location, as usual, select 001 and then create new entries by copying, or you can just start creating new entries and then create your own storage location, right? And then click copy, or you can use new entries to create your own storage location. Now if you think these storage locations are not relevant, you can delete them. Okay, select all of them and click on this button to delete. Most of the cases that's what you'll be doing, because you don't require those standard storage locations. You might want to create your own storage location like so. Okay, then click on new entries. What is the storage location that we want to create? The one that we want to create under the New Jersey plant is, let's say, in New Jersey, in Jersey City, there is a storage location. There is Jersey City storage location. Okay, and select it. Go to address. If you want any addresses, you can specify that here. Oops, sorry. Specify that here.